Hi and welcome to another Instrument Choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the SJWP waterproof packing scale. In this example we are unpacking the IC SJ6000WP 6kg capacity scale. The SJWP series of packing scales improve packing efficiency compared to other standard scales, with its multiple weighing units and IP67 rated waterproof protection. The scale features an externally mounted load cell to realise a fast stabilisation time with a maximum of 0.5 seconds, 5,000 hours of continuous operation with 6 D-cell alkaline batteries, takeaway check weighing using the auto tare function, and a waterproof and anti-corrosive load cell with an integrated overload protection mechanism. In the box there is some paperwork including an instruction guide on how to use the included cleaning picks, a comprehensive instruction manual, a specification sheet, the A&D warranty card, 6 D-cell batteries, the battery compartment cover, screwdriver, cleaning picks, and the scale. This features the LCD on the front. Below are 4 touch-sensitive capacitive keys to prevent damage from sharp objects. These keys are 0 on off, sample, units, and tare. On the right side are the bright multicoloured 5-step LED comparator lamps. On the top is a scratch-free and hygienic stainless steel weighing pan. Through the side you can see the load cell. On the back is a bubble level. Removing the stainless steel pan shows the ABS inner pan, and lifting this reveals the pan support. The pan support can be removed with care when the scale needs to be cleaned. And lastly, on the base there are 4 levelling feet, the battery compartment, and under this door are the calibration and reset switches. You must keep this cover closed to keep the device waterproof. To get started we need to install the 6 D-cell batteries and screw the battery compartment door back into place. We'll run through the basic weighing operation. First, ensure that the scale is level by twisting the 4 levelling feet until the bubble level is centered. Press the 0 on-off button to turn the unit on. When the weight value becomes stable, the display turns off for a moment, then displays 0 with the weighing unit used last before the scale was turned off. On the screen there is stable. This turns on when the weight value is stable. Net, a left-facing arrow will appear here when the net weight is displayed. This is when the tare operation is in progress. The LCD arrow will appear next to 0 when 0 is displayed. There's a wide range of weighing units available. The unit in use will appear here. The asterisk will appear on the screen whenever a button is touched. And on the top left is the battery level indicator. Select your desired weighing unit by pressing the Units button. When the unit is balanced and displaying 0, all you need to do is place the object to be weighed onto the weighing pan. To tare, press the tare button. This will tare the current item's weight. When using the tare function, you will now see the arrow next to the net icon. Placing an object on the scale will read its value. Power the scale off by pressing and holding the on-0 off key. That's what's in the box and how to take a basic weighing measurement using the SJWP waterproof packing scale. For more information on this or the other scales available, speak with an Instrument Choice scientist. Contact details can be found on the website and in this video's description. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.